I'm just starting off by sizing up my nail tips. Then I'm using Kiss nail glue to glue them. And then going to apply a thick layer of Beetle's base gel. Usually I trim my nails before I do that, but I forgot, so I'm just doing it now. And I'm going to be trimming them into a nice oval shape. And then I'm filing them. Then I'm using base gel again to stick on these pretty iridescent glitters. Once I've cured that first layer, I'm just going to do it again. Absolutely love the sparkle of these glitters, it's super pretty. Then I'm using clear IBD hard gel to encapsulate. I'm just applying a large bead. And then I'm using my brush to move it and smooth it out. Then I cure and do the rest. I then go in and wipe off the nails with some acetone. I'm then using a 100 grit hand file to smooth out the nails. And then using my drill to finish it off. And then shaping them with my hand file again to get a nice oval shape. Then I'm using a buffing block to smooth them out. We're going to be painting on them, so you want them to be nice and smooth. And then using this white color, and this is 580 from Beetles, and a liner brush to create some wispy clouds. I'm doing this by just painting kind of line shapes randomly on my nail. Then without curing, I'm going in and kind of diluting them with acetone. This will help create a kind of smoky look. And then using number 3 from Rimmel Pink Gels, and I'm going to be painting a wavy line. Here I'm using my lighter brush, but I ended up switching to a dotting tool because it was easier. All the gel polishes and everything else used in this video will be linked down below. And then painting another line with number 7 from a cart. Number 12. Number 10. Number 16. And number 10. Then I'm just going in with my Beetles Glossy Top Gel and just watch those glitters come to life. Applying top coat is seriously my favorite part. And I'm just going to do that to the rest of them. I literally am obsessed with these. They are so pretty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave any suggestions in the comments. See you next time. Bye!